Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a pack with me because I'm going away and I'm so excited. So I'm actually going to an air show this week. It is currently Tuesday and I leave in the morning and I'm at the air show for several days and don't get back until Sunday. So I need to pack quite a few things and as with any air show in England, I need to pack for all eventualities, so I thought I would share with you what I'm packing. So let's get started. Right, excuse the look of me because, you know, I just couldn't be bothered today, obviously. However, so I thought I'd quickly run through the clothing first of all. So I've got this dress here, which is like my nice outfit in case I feel like dressing up a bit. I thought I would wear it with this very creased, because I've only just washed it, denim jacket. I actually wore that to the museum yesterday and I really like the outfit, so I thought I would wash it, dry it and repeat it. I've got, under the dress I will probably wear as well, my trusted cycle shorts, so I've got those. But I can also wear with those cycle shorts, I have got this long length black, where am I this side, t-shirt that I featured in my collective haul recently, and I've also got a similar top in green as well, and I really like green on me. It's one of my favourite colours, so to wear anyway. So they are options as well. And then I've packed for all eventualities pretty much. So I have got the cropped, these are the cropped leggings that I mentioned recently. I've got a pair of those. I've got a pair of the same ones but the full length leggings. Then I've got a pair of dark wash jeans. And these are really comfy ones as well, so I know that I'll be fine in those. And then if it's slightly nicer weather, I've also got my green shorts as well. I've had these for ages, but I've literally only recently this week started wearing them. But they're really comfy as well, so I'm happy wearing those. And then t-shirt wise, or tops, or whatever you want to call them, I've got this blouse, which I thought would go with both the shorts and the jeans and leggings. I've just got a plain black vest top, which I can wear again with any of that, and layer it up as well if it becomes cold. And then I just went with this t-shirt as well. It looks quite boxy on camera, but I do like it, it's comfy. And then on the back it's got like pearl buttons and everything. I really like that, so that's that. I've got my comfy white hoodie that I seem to wear everywhere. Can't beat a hoodie. I've also got my long stripy knitted cardigan. Couldn't think of the word then. And then last but not least, it's not the most fashionable attire, but some of it is evening stuff, so I know it's going to get pretty damn cold. So I've also got my regatta fleece as well, just in case. And then obviously underwear, which I'm not going to show you on there. Shoes wise, so far I've just got my newer trainers. These are from Asda, with just the leopard print and the gold as well, and they're really comfy, so I think I'll be alright with these, but I can't decide if I need to take another pair of shoes as well. I might take some sandals. I don't know. I'm just thinking if it happens to rain and these get wet and not dry out in time. But yes, that's all the clothing anyway. Right, so then on to beauty and makeup. So I'm just going to, in no particular order, just run through it. But I've got my Mary Poppins makeup bag. So I've got an eyeshadow brush, my eyebrow pencil. This is the Avon Ultra Precision, which I love. I've got a So Vanilla Body Mist. I've got a Avon Little Black Dress Weekend little spray pouch. I've got Soap and Glory's hand sanitizer. This smells amazing actually, I really like this. The Bare Minerals Northern Lights palette in rose golds. So that's got blushes and eyeshadows, so I like a good multi-use product. Clinique's Even Better Glow, and this is in the shade Ivory, although it might be too light for me soon if I get a tan. Then I've got a moisturising stick, lip gloss. This is in the colour Deep Rouge and it's from New Look. I've had that for quite a while. Clinique Quick Liner. Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is the one that I use in brown. Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, just in case I get sunburn or windburn. And then a blusher brush as well. Then I've also got the Garnier Nutrice Restoring Conditioner. This is the one you get in with the hair dyes. Then I've got a Boots Aromatic Magnolia Body Wash, Garnier Moisture Bomb SPF 30 face spray, the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which I've been raving about if you've been here on my channel for a little while. Then I've just got toothbrush toothpaste, Garnier Intensive 7 Days Hydrating Lotion. I love this, this is amazing. Then of course I wouldn't be going anywhere without my Lumi Spa. Again, I'll link the bundle for these that are currently on offer, I'll link it down below. My deodorant, Garnier Ombre Solaire, that's a tongue twister, isn't it? Sensitive Advanced 50 Plus sun cream. This is the spray one, so it means that I can just do it myself, I don't need to ask anybody. And a cloth as well. So then I'm hoping to fit all of that into my Trend Him backpack that I mentioned in that collective haul, and I've also done a blog post about that as well, which I'll try and remember to link below. And this Tabitha Webb weekend bag as well. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's all going to fit into those bags. And then I've got my camera bag, which is massive, it's like a suitcase in itself. I just need to clear the memory cards and charge all the batteries for that. I've got a bag that's got towels and some bedding in it that I washed from last time we were away, so that needs to go back with us as well. And then I will just have a handbag with like my purse, the money, phone charger, things like that in. Must remember to take my camera chargers as well. Mental note to do that. Yeah, just bits and pieces like that. And then it will just be a book that I'll be taking. I'm going to take Secrets of the Shipyard Girls because there is always a little bit of downtime. Hairbrush. I haven't packed a hairbrush, but I'll need to do that in the morning. I think that's it then. And then in the car already I've got 4 of those big 5 litre bottles of water. I've got 4 of those, and I've also got a bottle of orange squash as well, just so I don't have to keep filling up at the campsite all the time. So I've got those, and then yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I just need to pick up food tomorrow and I think I'm good to go, although I feel like I'm missing something. But yeah, sorry this has been a bit of a all over the place pack with me. I'm not very good at doing these. This is the first time I've done one of these, and I'm trying to think at the same time of everything that I actually need to take. It all feels a bit rushed, but I will try and film some clips. I'm going to do a weekly, or I am doing a weekly vlog that week of the lead up to it, so that will be out after this video if you want to see that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Sorry it's been a bit rambling all over the place, but yeah, thank you. Bye bye.